Hey everyone, we're here with Niraj again, and we're going to dive into Module 13, which is Facebook support, customer service, and Lucky Orange. So we're going to talk about all of these things. Let's get into Facebook page support.
When you are advertising, a lot of people are commenting, liking, sharing, so that's the money on the table. If you are not trading them well, the people have lot many inquiries. Oh, I like it. Oh, they say, do you have this sizes, do you have this color, when do you ship, where from you ship. So some people email, some people just post over there, or some people even send the complaints over there. So you have to have a customer service staff going through all the comments over there at least.
Right.
So we have 24, if you are running 24/7 business, someone should be there 24/7.
Absolutely.
If you can afford to lose money, it is up to you.
Right.
So someone is saying, okay, I need this, how to buy. So you are not supposed to leave that guy without selling anything.
No.
So you need the staff who can be on the top of it all the time. So whenever they get notification, that you just give them the answer.
Right.
Okay, I am here. You ask this. This is the answer. We have hired some people in the past who are just copy pasting. They say, what is the size? Is this Australian size or UK size or American size?
Right.
We had hired people. Okay, buy this product.
Oh, okay. So it's not even like they're giving you a genuine answer. Or something that makes sense.
Yes. So I mean, you have to hire someone very good for that. I mean, someone who loves their job, who has the customer service attitude, who understand this is actually responsibility of yours to see the things always time to time and see how they are working and fix the things if they are working wrong. But when you hire the best people, and with all this, in the last module we talked about the staff hiring from the other countries, like from India or maybe from Vietnam or Philippines. So you have something in your hand to hire some good people at some way lesser cost, but hire them, train them, and do the good thing. So don't I'm telling you, we hired some people. We still had few people who don't know where to put the comma or the full stop. So when you are hiring from those countries, their first language is not English.
Absolutely.
So you have to make sure. So why we had this problem? So because we just having inorganic growth,
Absolutely.
and we didn't know these things. But slowly we came to know that this thing is going to cost us a lot of money in the long run.
Oh, without a doubt,
Yeah.
because the more you mess up, the more people don't have the faith in you.
Exactly. You say, most of people don't write, they just read. And after reading all the stuff, they understand they are talking to some very unprofessional company and they are not getting the
Right. And
the-
you're not getting the sale.
Exactly. You with a single bad comment, you're losing a lot of sales.
Absolutely.
And-
Because people read those reviews.
Yes.
I know myself, when I go on a website, that's one of the first things I do is I read the reviews.
Yeah. So when people are scrolling the page comments and all that stuff, they say that what the hell the customer service is doing? Like, this guy is asking something else and they are just promoting their. So there is some maybe automated.
There's a disconnect there.
I mean, this is not the professional behavior. So you have to have someone who can speak maybe average English, that works. But if they are good at English, that's awesome.
Well, and they need to know the grammar, the proper grammar, proper English, what is needed to get that across. Because you got to understand, we are all about the connection. We are from day one with the personalization and how they're feeling connected to it.
Exactly.
So if our customer service is that disconnect, we're not doing our job.
Yeah, we don't have to sell them. They will buy it. They will buy it.
Exactly.
You don't have to sell that. You have
Right.
to entertain them. You have to just give the right sort of service.
Absolutely.
That they are not gonna buy because you want to sell.
No. No, not at all. They need to buy it because they want it.
Yes, exactly. So you have to make them want it. So you have the way you how you can make it want it with the awesome level of services, awesome level of maybe giving them, treating them well.
Right.
Like they ask something, let them know, okay, this is good for you, this is good for you, and even give them some coupon.
Absolutely.
Because you commented, so it's a coupon I do have, so use that.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and one thing I want to do, I'm not doing it pretty well, to follow up.
Follow up.
If someone commented today, we should be actually checking tomorrow.
Right.
Did she buy or
Or
not?
did she not? Right. No,
Nobody's
you're
doing
right.
that. Nobody's doing that, but we should do that.
No, you should, because that's a potential
Yeah,
buyer.
maybe-
That's a potential client. Someone that could potentially become somebody that buys from you a lot.
Yeah, I mean, maybe there are 200 comments every day, let's assume, and 200 comments, and maybe you can revive 20 sales a day out of that. 20 sales is maybe like $800. With my average order value, it is $800 a day. That is $25,000 extra sales.
Wow.
So extra sales of 20, that adds a lot of money. So you have to think that where you can make extra money.
Without a
By
doubt.
buy right sort of stuff. But right sort of stuff is not like you made a post in Upwork and you hired someone. No, not like that. Think like a business. It takes time to hire, train, and induct people. So you have to hire, you have to induct and train, and then they get into the job.
Without a doubt. So when
Yes.
you hire, you first off do your research. Make sure that the person that you are hiring for your support staff is trained correctly.
Yep.
They know the English or whatever language that you're using for your store.
Yeah.
And they are going to be running your support. So your comments, people that are commenting, people that are coming in and saying, hey, what size do you have? Make sure that they are saying, hey, we have these sizes.
Exactly.
And yes, they are in US, or yes, they are in UK. So
And if they follow up tomorrow, hey, you were good.
right, exactly. Hey, did you need anything?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, I have this coupon.
Exactly.
Make that sale and do it successfully.
Yeah, I mean, we need people like that. I was in a hotel and I booked the hotel just for a night, and next day I checked it. I reserved the same hotel, so because I didn't know where I'm going, so I reserved the same hotel and I went to it. It was a 5-star luxury hotel, and I went to, incidentally, I went to the same girl at the reception. And she said, I know your room number. And it is in the attitude.
Right, yeah.
It is in the attitude.
You're absolutely right.
So you have to hire people who do have the customer service attitude.
That want to remember you, that want to make that lasting impact.
Exactly. They should love their job.
Absolutely.
So you don't have to, push the job in their mind. Rather than they love their job and give you ideas, and you should be happy reading the comments. Oh, this is my staff doing awesome work.
Without a doubt. I know that there's been places where I've visited, and it could be at a local gas station or even at a restaurant. You know who wants to be there.
Yeah.
And you can tell it, you can vibe it, you can feel it. And when you see that person that smiles or that gives you that feedback that you want, you're like, they need more people like this.
Yeah, of course.
And it makes you
Yeah.
happy to be there.
Of course.
When you see somebody that's miserable or you get nasty feedback from somebody, whether it's on the phone or wherever it may be, even online, you're just like, why are you even working this job? Why are you even here?
Exactly.
Facebook customer support is crucial to.
Yeah, I mean it's very crucial. So a lot of people send you the message, and what we do, we actually send the message to every customer who comments, and we send the different message all the time.
Perfect.
Not the copy pasted message, different message all the time.
So then they feel like it's more personal.
Yeah, and time to time my staff gets stagnated and they they start sending the same message again. So you have to keep control and reviewing all the situation. So that is how you are making money. So maybe they are losing 5 sales a day, that makes you $200 worth sales a day. So I'm not going to afford
And that's
that.
not good, no.
I'm not going to afford that. So you have to keep counting the money. So you don't have to keep a single penny on the table. So that should be your job if you want to stay in the business for long.
Absolutely.
That is your job. You don't have to behave like irresponsible guy. If I behave like irresponsible guy, I will not be going through the success.
Absolutely.
So I mean, you have to keep checking what they are doing. Hire the best staff, and hire the staff who does have an attitude of customer service. Not like just doing the job, but they must enjoy the job and add some value to the job, because you are not a customer service agent. You don't know how to do that. So you have to hire someone who is experienced enough, who understand what a customer needs, how to make customer feel great.
Absolutely.
Not to just give the service. So make them take it as an opportunity to make them feel great.
Without a doubt.
Yeah. So another thing, we were talking about the Lucky Orange. We have to hire someone who can take if your store is not working too well, as of it's just starting, your customer service agent can do the same thing to extract the emails from the Lucky Orange, seeing all the videos. And when you are working on this thing, can be done by only one people at a time. The Zendesk can be done if the store is not doing very well.
Right.
So they can be on the Facebook page, they can be on chat, they can be on Zendesk. But
Perfect.
as it grow, so you have to hire more people for each and every task. So
Perfect.
but everybody makes money for you. You have to make sure everybody makes money for you. So you can make sure it by hiring the right sort of staff, having right sort of attitude. The attitude means they are serious about job, and they are well worth for the job.
Without a doubt.
Yep.
Without a doubt. So, just to recap that, we're talking about Lucky Orange, and we need Lucky Orange because it's something that grabs our customers' information.
Yep.
And we can follow up with that customer and say, hey, listen, we have the shirt that you were looking at. We would really like you to buy it. Here's an extra coupon or whatever you want to send their way, so they are more intrigued in buying that product instead of having that customer loss.
Of course. What we have done a template in the Zendesk template email. We take the data from here, we add that data, and we push the button, that email is being sent. You don't have to write again and again.
Perfect.
So we'll show that how we do that.
So Module 13 had us talk about customer service, Facebook support, Lucky Orange, how these things are crucial to our store, and how it's almost inevitable. You need to have these things in order to have it become successful.
Exactly. I mean, you don't have to keep money on the table. So these are the guys who will be, grabbing all the money.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And you need to keep them, you need to keep your customer service and your support team feeling like they're wanted, feeling like they are appreciated, because if you don't, your store is not going to be successful.
You have to appreciate them, and if they don't appreciate your business, you are going to fire them.
Absolutely.
So the things goes both way. They have to appreciate the business have to appreciate them. So if it is not happening, you are not running an e-commerce business.
Not at all.
Yep.
Not at all. We are going to go into Module 14, which is about Facebook ads and the philosophy behind Facebook ads. And stay tuned. We're going to be right back.